In this video, we will learn how to add numbers in Excel. So let's start this my Excel, and here I have a two column A and B, and there are some number is mentioned. So I'm going to add this both A and B column. So select the cell where you want added amount. So I select the C2, and then you just press the is equal to, then select the first amount is A2. You can see when you select it, A2 means column A and 2 is row A2. Then press the plus sign. Okay, just press the shift plus is showing the plus sign. Then select the B2. I select the B cell, and you can see B2 in B column and 2 number row. Okay, then press the enter key, and that's it. You can see the added value is here. Now you simply select that cell and drag below. Just click on this corner, don't click it, just point the corner. Okay, and just drag below. Okay, and you can see the all cell, the formula is filled. Okay, I, I press here the Control Z. Okay, and second way, just double click on this corner point, just double click on it. Okay, and see here same as below is formula is automatically copy paste. Okay, so this is a way you can add the value in Excel. It's just too simple and basic knowledge. That's it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.